Lots of people ask me about the best way that they can support the channel. So let's just remind you what's on offer already. On YouTube, there is a free Wednesday video. That's not going anywhere. It's always available. And at the other end of the spectrum, there are a whole series of paid for courses at learn.johnobuchananmusic.com where you can choose your production journey through a whole series of deep dive courses. And into the gap between those two places, we're now launching YouTube membership. There are two tiers to this. If you just want to support the channel, this is probably the best way to do it using the supporter tier. For $1.99 a month, what that means is that you'll get a whole series of badges of service. And it also means that any comment that you post on any video on YouTube, I'll respond to as quickly as I possibly can. And that includes questions, of course. And above that, we have another tier, which we're calling the Production Club. And there are quite a lot of features packed into that upper tier for $12.99 a month. Firstly, what you're going to get is a new video every single month, which is going to be a deep, creative dive into further features around Logic Pro. It's going to be roughly 40 to 60 minutes every single month, but that's not all. There's also going to be a monthly live stream. So this is going to take the form of a Q&A. In advance of the session, you're going to be able to send me your questions, and I'm going to kind of curate an hour-long fun hangout experience where we have a chance to address as many of those questions as we can, and there'll be one of those every single month. And also, if you want to take your learning further and you've had a look at some of the courses that we offer at learn.johnobuchananmusic.com, and you want to take YouTube into that space, by becoming a YouTube member, you'll have a 15% discount off everything on that site. That's all of the courses and all of the sounds and exclusive additional discounts every time a new course launches. So go and have a look. If you want to just carry on being on YouTube with us, that's absolutely fine. But if you want to take your support for the channel a little bit further and you want extraness, there's that word again, come and become a YouTube member. Okay, see you soon.